Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation: 4 power x plus 4 power x equals 80. So from here, we consider the solution from here. Then into here, we are going to factor out 4 power x. So here we have 1 plus 1 equals 80. Then we have this as 4 power x multiplied by 2 equals 80. And from here, we are going to divide both sides by 2. So by dividing both sides by 2, we have these two cancel these two. And here we have 4 power x equals, so 2 in 80, that gives us 40. So we have 4 power x equals 40 here. Then let's introduce log on both sides. We have log 4 power x equals log 40. And then when you consider this, let's say we have log p raised to power n. This equals n multiplied by log p. So we have to apply this rule, and here becomes x multiplied by log 4 equals log 40. Then we have, by dividing both sides by log 4, we have this also divided by log 4 because we need x. So when log 4 cancelled log 4, we have our x equals log 40 divided by log 4. Then from here, you can see this as, if you have x equals, so this 40, so we write this 40 as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by, so here is 4, then multiply by 2, so multiply by 5 divided by log 4. So, and let's note that if you have log a multiplied by b, so this equals log a plus log b. So when we apply this rule in this line, so what we have here is x equals log 2 plus log 2 plus log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 4. Then you can write this as x equals, so I separate this, consider this as log 2 divided by log 4 plus log 2 divided by log 4 plus log 2 divided by log 4, and here is plus log 5 divided by log 4. Then you can see this as, so we have to note that suppose we have log 4, so this is the same thing as 2 log 2. So by putting this here, we have x equals log 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 2 and plus log 5 divided by log 4. So I want to leave this like this. Then we can see that this cancelled, and this also cancelled. So we have our x equals 1 divided by 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 plus, here is log 5 divided by log 4. And from here, x equals, so 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, this is 1 plus 1 over 2 plus, so if you have log 5 divided by log 4, so anytime we have something like this, we call it log 5 base 4. And from here, we have x equals 1 plus 1 over 2, so we call this one 3 over 2 plus log 5 base 4. And we can still round up this as, so this 4 is just like 2 power 2, and which we can simply write this as 3 over 2 plus log 5 base 2 raised to power 2. And if you have a power on the base like this, so this is just like 3 over 2 plus, so this power will come as reciprocal as 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. Then, so we can finalize this as 3 plus log 5 base 2 all divided by 2. And here is the final result to this. And we have to verify, so we have 4 power x plus 4 power x, so this equals 80. And by this, we have to replace this. But before that, so when we add this together, the whole of this I said is equals 4 raised to power x equals 40. Then by replacing this one, we have this as 2 raised to power 2x. So this also equals 40. And here we have 2 raised to power 2 into bracket us. When we substitute the value of x, we have this as 3 plus log 5 base 2. So all divided by 2. So we want to check if this equals 40. So here 2 cancel 2. And we have this as 2 power of 3 plus log 5 base 2. So we want to check if this equals 40. Then, so we can separate this as 2 power 3 multiplied by 2 power of log 5 base 2. So is this equals 40. Then, if we have this kind of log, we have this as 8 multiplied by, so when this base and this base are the same, we take 5. And is this equals 40? So 8 times 5, that is 40. So 40 equals 40. And here is the result to this problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.